Hi there, this is my recipe for Karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You will need 4 boneless chicken thighs. Lay the thighs flat on a chopping board. Slice open the thickest part of the thigh, like this. Then cut the thigh into bite-sized pieces. Next, grate some ginger. Add 2 grated large cloves of garlic to the ginger. Then add 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir together well to create your marinade. Season the chicken pieces well with black pepper, and salt, then pour over the marinade. Get all the chicken pieces well coated. Stand for at least 30 minutes. For the coating, combine 8 tablespoons of cornflour with 6 tablespoons of plain flour. Stir together well. Give each chicken piece a good coating of flour. When pieces absorb the flour, give it another dip. Pour about 2 cm of sunflower oil into a medium saucepan. Heat the oil to about 170 degrees centigrade. When a small piece of flour bubbles in the oil, you are ready to fry. Cook 4 to 5 pieces at a time for 2 minutes. Don't overload the pan. After 2 minutes, remove the chicken pieces to a rack. Reduce the heat a little and fry your next batch for 2 minutes. When the last batch is done, use a strainer to remove the flour from the oil. Now refry your first batch for another 2 minutes. When all the pieces have been fried for 2 minutes more, you are ready to serve. Yummy Japanese fried chicken! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.